Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer your money from Nexuspay to Bkash in 2025 step by step. Step 1. Open your Nexuspay app and log in using your Dutch Bangla bank credentials. Step 2. Make sure that your Nexuspay account is linked to your active DBBL account with sufficient balance. Step 3. On your home screen, tap Send Money or Transfer depending on your app version. Step 4. Select to Bkash from the list of transfer destinations. Step 5. Enter the Bkash mobile number, input the amount that you want to transfer, and select the source account. Step 6. Review your details and then confirm the transfer using your PIN or biometric authentication. Step 7, and then you will receive a confirmation message and the money will be instantly credited to your Bkash wallet. And now, you have completely transferred your Nexus Pay to Bkash successfully. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.